Friends, today we're talking about one of the most important part of any bathroom tiles design. Bathroom tiles are not only just for beauty, they play a major role in safety, durability, and hygienic. So let's understand the importance of along with the process and endure. So friends, bathroom tiles protect your walls, floors from water damage, leaking, and moisture. Without good tiles, bathroom can develop dampness and fungus quickly. In wet areas, safety is most important. Anti-skid tiles reduce the risk of slipping and keep your family safe, especially children or elders. The tiles are easy to clean and stain resistant and help to the maintain hygienic bathroom. Heavy Indian water use makes of durable tiles very important. Stylish tiles patrons of instantly upgrade your bathroom's look from glossy wall tiles to matte floor tiles. The right design added to the beauty and value of your house. Good quality tiles that last of years without fading, cracking, or absorbing the moisture. That means the less maintenance and long-term savings. The ceramic bathroom tiles. These are basic ceramic tiles. Ceramic tiles are affordable and good for walls. Price 40 rupees to 150 rupees per square foot. And Procline, it's fortified tiles. These are tiles stronger, water resistant, and great for option floors and walls. Price 80 rupees to 300 rupees per square feet. And anti-skid floor tiles. These anti-skid tiles ensure safety in wet areas like shower zones. The price 60 rupees to 250 rupees per square feet. And to add it to the style and premium effect, highlighted and designer tiles. These highlighted tiles use of behind the mirror in shower areas. Price 150 rupees to 300 rupees per square feet. And marble and quartz bathroom tiles. This for luxurious finish and stone look real stone tiles that can use of. The price 120 to 500 rupees per square feet. And total cost estimation for a medium sized 40 square feet bathroom. Basic tiles, the price will be 4,000 to 8,000 rupees. Premium designer tiles, 8,000 to 18,000 rupees. Labor tiling and waterproofing, 80 to 200 rupees per square feet extra. Total cost depending on the tile selection of city labor rates, approximately 20 to 22,000. So friends, bathroom tiles are not just design element, they are essential for protection, safety, hygienic, durability, and overall beauty of your bathroom. Choose the tiles that match your style and budget. Always select matte and texture anti-skid floor tiles. Prevent slippings, especially in the shower area. Bathroom tiles must handle the water stream and daily cleaning. Procline and fortified tiles are stronger and less water absorption. And glossy tiles are great for walls and but matte tiles are best for floors. Choose the tiles that do not catch stains or hard water marks easily. Large tiles make the bathroom look bigger. Small tiles is look for good covered areas or slopes and drain areas. Avoid too many ground lines and easy to cleaning. And matte finish is safe for floors. Glossy finish beautiful for walls, reflect the light and brightness space. Use lighter colors to make small bathroom feel spacious. Added highlighted tiles to pattern styles, not only one wall of for style. Keep the overall theme and simple elegant. Floor tiles it should be stronger, thicker than the wall tiles. And ask for R10 or R11 anti-skid rating if available. And use waterproof and stain resistant grounds. Match your ground's color tiles.